Now I'm back, drop the kids off to school, and I have a big announcement to make. They are gonna be big sisters and brother. This is a big surprise. They were begging me for a dog for a very long time. We surprised them with a puppy. So the puppy's coming this afternoon. But I have to get all the food ready for their birthday dinner. Big surprise. They are making Oreo cheesecake, other side dishes, and long life noodles. In China, usually people don't have oven. So this is no baking, it's a very easy recipe. First, we need 14 Oreos. Scrape the filling out. Just use the cookie part for the crust. Put all the cookies in a Ziploc, just like Bob Ross told us, beat devil out of it. Today I'm using this 8-inch cake pan. You can use any shape, but the Oreo crumbs in here as a cake base. The 1 stick of butter can melt in the microwave. We pour in to Oreo crumbs. You're gonna mix the butter in the crumb. Now they're ready to be chilled in the fridge at least for 30 minutes. Now get a standard mixer, we add heavy cream. Heavy cream getting a little thicker, we add in the cream cheese. Slow first. It got on my face here. So now we dissolve about 1.5 bag of gelatin. Yeah, this cheesecake needs some gelatin here. Some more milk. Dissolve the gelatin. Now we add the gelatin mixture in the cake batter. I crush about 9 Oreos we add in here. See, this cake is super easy. Now you are done, just need to put cake on the crust. Now after 30 minutes, you can see the crust. It's already hard, perfect. Now it's time we pour the cake on the top. I feel like this is making a sculpture or something. Look, your cake is like 90% done and no baking. Put it in the fridge at least for a couple hours, then we can decorate the cake. The cake looks ready. Since in the fridge for so long, it's really hard to take out the mold. We're gonna use the hot towel over. Okay, that's not bad. On the top, I will put in some more Oreos. I think this looks good. Got some color sugar. You don't have to do this. I thought for their birthday, I will do something a little more colorful. So now I'm gonna hide the cake in the fridge. I will show them their birthday cake. It's oranges. So now get a pot of water. We'll prepare the chicken, green onions and ginger. Also some Sichuan peppercorn. Chinese cooking wine. Either you use chicken thigh or chicken breast. Today I have some chicken thigh. So we boil in the soup for about 15 minutes. Now chicken's ready, take it out. We'll let this cool on the side. Here's the soup base for the chicken noodles. Soy sauce. Add some garlic. You always want some garlic in Chinese noodles. Of course, green onions. Chinese vinegar. Homemade chili oil. Depends on how spicy you eat. For me, a couple of tablespoons. This is the homemade Sichuan peppercorn oil. On the description, you can click to see how to make those. So I like to add a couple of teaspoons. Just a little bit of sugar to balance the taste. And chicken powder. Get some umami flavor. Now it's the chicken soup. We just boil the chicken in. Chicken soup in the sauce. But last thing I want to add, little lard. I always add in any noodle dish. Just always adds more flavor in your noodles. Smells good. Taste it. Now the chicken is cool. I usually shred this with my fingers, just with your hands. Cut the chicken really small, like crumbs, almost. In the dry wok on high heat, there's no oil. You don't need oil. Then we kind of roast the chicken in here. Stir fry, but without oil. Let's make the noodles. You can use any noodles on birthdays, like dry noodles, pasta, but this fresh noodles definitely gonna taste different. 3 ingredients: flour, salt, and water. That's all. If you are vegan, it's perfect for you. So now I just put the dough on the mat. Need this dough for like half a minute. So sit on the side for 30 minutes. Now after 30 minutes, let's make the noodles. What's that? Sprinkle some flour, give a little massage, cut in half. I use a rolling pin, roll it much thinner. I think the longer one might be the easiest one to roll this dough. Oh yeah, this longer one's easier. So I'm just fold it like 4 layers. So start the beginning. Get your knife, we cut from beginning. Small, really small cuts. Sprinkle some flour on your new noodles. Kind of sticky, open them up. So here your noodle. You're gonna live over 100 if you eat this every day. Every year on your birthday. So boil a pot of water. Ooh, a lot of steam. Add some salt in the water. Now to put your noodles in. The fresh noodle really cook quickly. Probably about 2 or 3 minutes. When it boils, I usually add some cold water. So noodle will be more chewy and taste very smooth. Just 2 or 3 minutes. Now the noodles done cooking, we put it in the sauce. Look at how long that is. So in Sichuan, for the noodle, any noodle dish, we always like to add some green vegetables. You always want to eat some veggies. Here's the most important thing, the Zha Zha Mian. This is the crumbs, chicken. So now you got a bowl of authentic Zha Zha Mian. So good. In China, after dinner, I never really had dessert. So my grandparents would give me some oranges. So today I'm gonna serve some nice looking orange on the plate and tell my kids that's their birthday dessert. The cake is a surprise. So get an orange, you cut the bottom first and the top. And I cut the orange in the middle. So now I got 2. So with this knife, you carefully just carve out the oranges. Save the peel. You take it out. You can just chop in little squares, whatever shape you want. Put this one right here underneath. So cover the hole. And we put the orange in here, like a little bowl. To make it fancy for their birthday, I add some mint leaves here and there. Just some green color. I'm adding some red color in here. See if they're gonna eat the tomatoes. I like them. Here, your birthday fruit plate. Here's another side dish I'm gonna make for the birthday dinner is Mao Dou. Mao Dou actually means, Mao means like a hairy, Dou means beans. Somehow it's called the hairy beans. So boil pot of water, just put frozen edamame in here. If you can find a fresh one, that's even better. Cinnamon sticks, Sichuan peppercorn, of course. Always add Sichuan peppercorn. Bay leaves, and star anise. So for me, I like to a little bit spicy, and my kids can eat spicy too. I add some chili pepper and salt. I like to add some cooking wine. This is called 5-spice soybeans. 5-spice soybean, or you call this 5-spice edamame if you like to use that name. I also add some 5-spice powder. Put a few drops of cooking oil here. That will preserve the green color. Look nice. Cover the pot, let it boil about 5 to 6 minutes. I like the beans still maybe a little crunchy. If you like it soft, you boil about 9 minutes. Now the beans are done. I just let it soak in here for a little longer. Got more flavor. Let's take this out. How Chinese people eat edamame. Add a pepper on top. I'm gonna go change to meet the puppy. I'm gonna go run downstairs first. Breeder's coming. Yeah, excited. Sit here, sit here. Okay. How old are your kids? They're almost 10. The girls are twins. Nice. Yeah, and then my son is 8. Oh my gosh, so good. So cute. So cute. Oh, like a fluffy toy.
This towel has his mother's scent on it.
Oh.
Okay, so if I don't know if he's going to be sleeping in a carrier or a crate. Or
A crate? We got a crate, yeah.
You can put that in with him, and that might keep him calmer.
Right? Oh. So cute.
And then there's a toy and some treats and
Rice and noodles with his meat. Sounds like he's Chinese, maybe. I'm Chinese. Rice and noodle. I eat rice every day. And I speak Chinese. I'm wondering if I train him, should I talk Chinese or English? Probably English because nobody else. My kids, they speak Chinese, but.
You could probably speak any language you want, and eventually he'd pick it up.
Look at who's coming. Come here. Here's your birthday gift. Look at that. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that?
So cute. Well, take him.
Take it, yeah? Wow. What'd you say?
Thank you.
We named him Pepper because I cook a lot of spicy food.
I think that's a pretty interesting name.
Yeah. Now they're busy. I said, you better get up in the middle of the night and take Pepper out pee. Good job. Let's see, this is the food he's been eating for puppies. Oh, the puppy's so cute. And I'm gonna get the food ready. The kids were playing with the dog downstairs. Pepper, playing with the Pepper downstairs. I'm surprised with them with the cake and dinner. get this. Oh, they are here. Where's the puppy? Come in. Wow, Pepper's here now. Come. 今天过生日要吃面，过生日要吃面，还有 edamame。This is your dessert， 怎么样？这是你的甜品，怎么样？所以 no expression here. They don't want to have this as their dessert and cake. Oreo cheesecake. This is your birthday cake. So, do I look like a ringmaster right now? Holding a dog, eating noodles with the real circus? What's your birthday wish? Don't tell me. For the birthday girl first. 生日快乐。
Eat an Oreo with a fork.
No, that's not pork or fork?
Fork.
Oh, I thought he said eat Oreo with a pork. Hello, this one is for you.
Wait a minute. This is cheesecake. Oreo cheesecake.
But don't forget, what? Subscribe. Huh?
Yeah.
Otherwise, you don't have any cake. See you next time.